Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of Amazon FBA. Did you know you can build a thriving business right from your laptop using Amazon's powerful FBA program? Imagine this. You wake up, grab your phone and see hundreds or even thousands of dollars in sales, all before you've even finished your morning coffee. If you're curious about how it works and how you can start earning, stick around. So what exactly is Amazon FBA? FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, and it's a game changer for entrepreneurs like you and me. Here's the deal. Instead of dealing with the headache of packing and shipping every single order yourself, you leverage the power of Amazon's massive infrastructure. Think of it like this. You find awesome products, buy them in bulk, and send them off to Amazon's warehouses. From there, Amazon takes care of everything else. They store your inventory, pick, pack, and ship your products when orders come in, and even handle customer service inquiries. This means you can ditch the late-night packing sessions and focus on what really matters, growing your business and making it rain. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds complicated, but trust me, getting started with Amazon FBA is simpler than you might think. First things first, you'll need to create an Amazon seller account. Don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. Once you're all set up, it's time to find your winning products. This is where the real fun begins. You can use tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 to uncover profitable product ideas with high demand and low competition. Remember, the goal is to find products that solve a problem or fulfill a need for your target audience. Once you've found your golden nuggets, it's time to source them from suppliers, ideally at a price that allows for a healthy profit margin. Okay, let's talk about why Amazon FBA is a total game changer for entrepreneurs. First and foremost, it's all about scalability. With FBA, you're not limited by your own storage space or shipping capacity. Amazon has got you covered. This means you can start small and scale your business as big as you can dream without having to worry about outgrowing your garage or hiring a whole warehouse team. Another massive advantage is the trust factor. Think about it. When people shop on Amazon, they expect fast shipping, hassle-free returns, and top-notch customer service. When you use FBA, you're tapping into Amazon's reputation, which instantly boosts your credibility and makes customers feel confident about buying from you. Now, I want to share some of my top tips for crushing it with Amazon FBA. Number 1, obsessively research your niche and your competitors. Knowledge is power, people. Understand what's already selling well, what problems customers are facing, and how you can differentiate yourself from the competition. Tip number 2, build an irresistible brand. Don't just be another generic seller on Amazon. Create a strong brand identity, write compelling product descriptions, and invest in high-quality product photography to make your listings stand out. And finally, never ever underestimate the power of customer service. Respond to inquiries promptly, go above and beyond to resolve issues, and always strive for those 5-star reviews. Listen, the world of e-commerce is booming, and Amazon FBA is your golden ticket to building a successful online business. Whether you're looking to create a side hustle that brings in some extra cash flow, or you're ready to go all in on building a full-time empire, FBA gives you the tools and the platform to make it happen. So, what are you waiting for? With Amazon FBA, the possibilities are endless. Hit that like button, subscribe for more business tips, and drop a comment below if you're ready to start your journey. Guys, building a successful business takes effort. There's no doubt about it. But with Amazon FBA, you're leveraging a proven system that can help you reach your financial goals faster than you ever thought possible. Remember, I'm here to support you every step of the way. I'm constantly putting out new videos packed with actionable tips and strategies to help you succeed in the world of e-commerce and online business. Make sure you like, follow, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Now go out there, crush it with Amazon FBA, and let's build some serious wealth together.